Welcome to Artwork, Art Home, Art Stories, and Art Education. In this video, I am providing explanation about painters and paintings. Today, we will talk about Branded Holder. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my video. Branded Holder was a Swiss painter known for his distinctive style that combined elements of symbolism and art nouveau. His work is celebrated for its emotional deep, symbolic content, and formal experimentation. Wolders is considered one of the most significant Swiss artists of the late 19th and early 20th centuries, with a profound impact on modern art in Europe. Let's explore his life, artistic evolution, major works, and influence in more details. Branded Holders was born on 14 March 1853 in Greusland, Switzerland. Into a humble family, he faced a tragic childhood marked by the early death of his parents and several siblings due to tuberculosis. This early experience of loss and suffering profoundly influenced his later work, which often deals with themes of mortality, struggle, and existential reflection. Holder's artistic talent was evident from a young age. He began his formal training as a painter under the tutelage of local artists and later moved to Geneva to study with Barthélemy Mina, a respected Swiss landscape painter. Means teaching, which emphasizes the importance of direct observation of nature, played a circle role in shaping Holder's early style, which was heavily influenced by naturalism. While Holder's early work were primarily naturalistic landscapes and portraits, he gradually developed a more symbolic and expressive style. This evolution was partly influenced by his exposure to various artistic movements and contemporaries, including the Munich Session, a group of artists who rejected traditional academic art in favor of more modern avant garde approaches. By the 1980s, holders began to move away from strict naturalism towards a more abstract and symbolic mode of expression. He developed a style known as parallelism, characterized by symmetry, repetition, and rhythmic patterns. These techniques sought to convey a sense of unusual order and was inspired by his interest in philosophy, spirituality, and the human condition. Holder believed that thought, repetition, and symmetry he could express the fundamental rhythms of life and nature. Holder's symbolic work often features figures in dramatic, almost theatrical poses set against stark, simplified backgrounds. This composition aimed to evoke emotional responses and convey complex themes such as life, death, and the eternal struggle of humanity. His paintings from this period, such as Night 1890 and The Day 1900, showcases his use of symbolism and his distinctive parallelist style. One of Holder's most famous works, Night 1890, exemplifies his early symbolist phase. The painting depicts a group of figures, including the artist himself, laying a various status of sleep or distress. A shadow ghost like figure looms over themes symbolizing death or the subconscious fear that haunt humanity. The composition is marked by a scene of symmetry and repetition, with the figure arranged in a horizontal line across the canvas. Night caused a scandal when first exhibited due to its stark depiction of nudity and physiological tension, but eventually become recognizing as a masterpiece of symbolist art. Another significant work, The Chosen One, 1893, reflects Holder's fascination with themes of destiny and transcendence. The painting portrays the surrounding landscapes is stylized and simplified, emphasizing the figure's isolation and inner contemplation. This work, like many of Holder's later pieces, emphasizes a scene of formal clarity and spiritual introspection. Holder's monumental The Retreat from Morgango 1905 demonstrates his ability to convey historical narrative through modernist lines. The large scale painting commissioned by the Swiss government depicts a moment from the Battle of Morgango in 1550, focusing on the suffering and heroism of the Swiss soldiers. The composition is notable for its dynamic arrangement of figures and its use of color to convey emotional intensity, marking a departure from traditional historical painting techniques. Older works had a significant influence on the development of modern art, particularly in Switzerland and Germany. He played a circle role in the transition from 19th century naturalism to early 20th century modernism, bridging the gap between the symbolist movement and embracing abstract unlimitedness. His emphasis on form, color, and symbolic content resonated with younger artists and contributed to the evolution of expressionism, a movement that sought to express emotional experience rather than physical reality. In addition to his stylistic innovation, Holder's exploration of themes such as mortality, existential struggle, and the search for meaning had a profound impact on his contemporaries. His work was particularly influential on the German expressionists, who admired his bold use of color and his ability to convey deep physiological and spiritual content. Holders also left a significant legacy in Swiss art, where he is regarded as a national figure. His mural and large scale paintings, many of which are housed in public buildings across Switzerland, reflect a deep connection to his homeland and its cultural heritage. His commitment to exploring the human condition and his innovative approach to form and composition have ensured his place as a key figure in the history of European art. Branded Holder's art remains a testament to his unique vision and his ability to capture the complexities of human existences through a distinctive combination of symbolism, naturalism, and abstraction. His work continues to be celebrated for its emotional depth, formal innovation, and its profound exploration of universal themes. As an artist who bridged different artistic movements and physiologies and philosophies, Holder's legacy endures, influencing generation of artists and captivating audience with his timeless exploration of life fundamental questions. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel.